Hello guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Epson L200 driver. So first search on the Google Epson L printer driver. After that you can see the first epson.co.in and click to first link which is L series. Now this is Epson L200. After that click on the driver, download, then select the operating system, and you can see this is all the operating system you can see here. But if you are using Windows 10 and Windows 11, so select this Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, if you don't show about Windows 11, so no worry about that, it will work this driver. Okay, after that click on driver. So first select driver and second also driver. Yeah, so this is first one, latest. Okay. Then click to download. Scroll down, I agree software license, and you can see the Windows 11 also support this. Okay, and then click to download. So now you can see it start downloading in the download box, and it is completed. Then just single click to open. After that click yes for the installations. So you have a L200 series, so select this. Okay, then select the language, then again click to OK, accept, this is agreement. Now printer driver is installing, so click to install. Now, so connect to USB, okay, with your laptop. Okay, and then again start your printer. Then you can see it will detect and next to install it. Okay, you just connect and it will show here connected via USB. Then go to this tab, and this is scanner, extract, download. So scanner driver installations process also same. And then click on yes, so it will install your system. Okay, then restart your system and then please check.